I'm Dan Danaher, and I'm an advocate of butterfly havens because I know that if we get things right for butterflies, we'll get things right for the rest of wildlife too. I would say I fell in love with butterflies at the age of 13, and since then it's been the love of my life. Butterflies have a multitude of different roles. Some might just be pollinators as adults, some might be food for various predators, and it's all of those roles all together that make these ecosystem services that you and I depend on. In urban environments, we see a real drop in butterfly numbers. One of our fundamental problems is loss of habitat. We're an intensively farmed country. What we really need to do is put habitat back. So, for example, in front of my house, there is a lawn between my house and the road. We planted that up with wildflower plugs. That could make a real difference. The butterfly haven created at Dorothy Stringer School was the first to be done in the city of Brighton Hove. If you see any bees or any butterflies, make a note. We've been here earlier on in the year and we looked at the bees and the butterflies.
What's this one here then?
That's the meadow one. So, stay still. Wait, just need two.
Using the tally system to record data, we now do environmental science for our Year 7 pupils, which allows kids to get out and they record butterfly numbers, bee numbers, they look at plant identification. Biodiversity is really at a bad time globally. We need to get a generation of individuals aware of what's going on so that when they get older, they make a difference.
And then there's a couple over there. Are they rare?
No, they're not rare, but they're beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
Since 2007, we've seen 29 species of butterfly come here. That is a massive contribution for such a small site. Well, guys, you've done brilliantly today. And do we love butterflies and bees?
Yes!
Great. There is tons and tons of room for wildlife in our urban environments. Throughout my life, I've walked around cities and looked in parks and seen real opportunities for habitat restoration that isn't there at the moment. One of the best things that you can do if you're trying to create a habitat for butterflies is to use local provenance plants, things which will grow in the wild locally. So really it's all about making that habitat so that we can get the animals back.